Hi there, patrons. Okay, to do with. This we can use in two different ways. Firstly, the meaning is associated with. This is to do with what we were talking about yesterday. This is nothing to do with me. It's not associated, it's not related to me. This is completely to do with you. This trouble is to do with the fact that we're not putting the right fuel in this engine. Okay, so something is to do with it. Notice, this is inseparable and only one particle. It's nothing to do with me. And then the other one is when you're wishing for something, you need something. Let's see, the house could do with being repainted. I could do with a cold beer. Couldn't you do with a cold beer? So I'd really like, I need, I want. It would be better if I had. Okay, so this is something that I could really do with. Can I borrow your computer? Because it's much better than mine, and I could do with a computer that works well for this live stream that I'm going to give. So, to do with, associated with, this is to do with the government policy. That noise is to do with a problem in the transmission of your car. And then, okay, I could do with, I can do with, something could do with, nearly always could or can with it. To wish for something, to need it, it would benefit from. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Could do with.